Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I'm going to be doing this makeup right here, which is a Valentine's bold makeup. I know it's not your typical pink soft makeup look. I wanted to do something really bold, out there, glitter, red, with a beautiful lip color and a lot of highlight as always. So if you guys want to know how do I achieve this look right here, just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera because it takes forever to do my eyebrows, and I also already primed my eyes. But I'm going to do my eyes first today just because I am going to be using glitter and I am going to be doing a red eye look. So I know I'm going to have a lot of fallout, and hopefully I don't keep on going out of focus because of my background, because I know sometimes it tries to catch my background. I'm trying to be as far as I can from it. So I'm going to be using the Bebella Cosmetics palette, and it's this one right here. It's going to be my transition color right here. It's like an orangey red, and I'm just going to apply this all over my crease. So I'm first going to add it in the outer corner of my eye just because this is where I want it to look more pigmented, and then I'm going to take it inside. When you're working with reds, you want to be really careful. You want to add little by little because reds are hard to blend. The brush that I'm using is the Morphe 433. I'm going to grab just a clean blending brush, any blending brush, just to clean the edges. Then I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this color right here, which is Venetian Red. I'm applying this with my Morphe E28 brush, and I'm also applying this in my crease. I'm already starting to bring it down to my lid just because this is going to be a smoky eye, so it doesn't really matter if the color goes to your lid. So now going back to this palette, I want a red eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using this one right here. I'm going to be applying this one with my MAC 221 brush, and I'm also going to be applying it on my crease. But this one now I'm going to start bringing it to my lid. So I'm going back and forth on my crease, and then I just start blending it on my eyelid. But now to make it a little bit more darker, I'm going to be using this color right here. And this is from the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette in the color Fetish. And I'm going to apply this with the same brush. Basically with this color, I'm just going to make my crease darker. And I am going to bring it down a little bit to my eyelid, but not too much because I already have the other eyeshadow that I apply as my base. Basically that's going to be my base for the glitter. That way when I apply the glitter, there's something under it. It doesn't look like just blank, like there's just no color. So I'm just really defining my crease with this eyeshadow. You guys can see this one is darker from the other eyeshadows that I use. And then I always go back with whatever brush I used before to apply my other eyeshadows just to blend everything together. So I know it looks like like someone hit me right now, especially because I don't have foundation on. It looks so weird, but once we apply the glitter, it's gonna look so pretty. So now for the glitter, I'm going to be using my Too Faced glitter glue. I love this. I like to apply it with my finger. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid where I'm going to be applying my glitter. I'm going to be using this red glitter, and this one is from Eye Candy. And it's in the color Cherry Bomb. It's super, super red. So I'm just applying this with a flat brush. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave my eyes like this for now because I feel like I need to do my foundation to see if I want to add a little bit more color. I just feel so weird without my foundation. So I'm gonna prime my face by using my MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in the color Gold Light. So for this look, I want it to be more like a dewy look. Because I've been looking, oh my god, look how red my face looks in camera, guys. Like, In person, it doesn't look that red, but in camera, oh my god, it looks so bad. So for foundation, I'm gonna be using my Milani concealer foundation, and I'm in the shade number 4. So now I'm just gonna be using my concealer. I'm gonna be using my Nars concealer in the color Custard. So now I'm gonna contour. Today I'm gonna contour with cream using my Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the color Almond. See, once I start doing like my whole face foundation, my contour and everything, I start seeing the look come together, because if not, I feel like I never do a red bold smoky eye, so I feel so weird, but I wanted to try it for you guys just for Valentine's. So now I'm just gonna set my whole face with my translucent powder. I'm gonna do it off camera. To set my contour, I'm gonna be using my Hoola bronzer. Highlight, I'm going to be using my favorite highlight at the moment, which is the Jeffree Star Skin Frost Siberian Gold. I'm so obsessed with this highlight right now. It is so freaking beautiful. You guys see how pretty that is? Okay guys, so back to the eyes. So I'm going to be using white eyeliner in my waterline. This is just really gonna open my eyes. They're not gonna look as dark. Oh my god, my eyes got so watery. But I'm using the one from LA Girl, and this is in the color Witten, which is just a white eyeliner. And now I'm gonna apply the same colors that I did on my crease. I'm gonna do the same in my bottom lash. And the brush I'm using is from Morphe, the M562. To highlight under my brow bone, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from MAC, and it's in the color Nylon. This is my favorite eyeshadow to highlight in the inner corner of my eyes and under my brow bone. As you can see the difference from this eye and this eye, like it just really stands out. And I'm also going to highlight my inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to just apply mascara off camera and then apply my eyelashes. So actually, before I apply my eyelashes, I'm sorry if you guys hear my dog. I don't know why. I don't know where she's hella barking. If you guys can see on this eye, I actually added black eyeliner because I feel like for this look it needs a little bit of black eyeliner just for the eyelashes. So I'm going to do it this side. So basically I'm just using one of these pencil black eyeliners, and this is from NYX in the color Jet Black, and I'm just smudging it on my eyelid like this. Now I'm just gonna use a pencil brush like this, and this one is from Morphe, the M149, and then I'm just gonna blend the eyeliner with this brush. I feel like this just looks so much better with the black eyeliner. It was just looking too just basic. So now I'm gonna be applying my eyelashes after camera. Okay guys, so I already applied my eyelashes, and I put some dramatic eyelashes just because we're doing a dramatic look, so why not some dramatic eyelashes? But I don't know why in camera I feel like it's covering almost all my eye, and in person it's not, so we'll see how it looks. But now I'm gonna do for my lips. I'm probably gonna apply this one from Hudabeauty, and it's the color Trendsletter. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe down below. And also hit the bell button, that way you guys get notified every time I upload videos. Now I'm uploading once a week because I was trying to do twice a week and it's so hard for my schedule. I do work a full-time job, so it's getting really hard for me to upload twice a week. So I do try to at least upload once a week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a beautiful Valentine's Day. Bye my loves.